All right, let's buckle in because this is going to be the coldest night this air mass has to offer.
Man, in 10 layers.
Yeah, exactly. An extreme cold warning in place through tomorrow midday. Let's get outside and show you a sun-kissed skyline. Despite all this sun, though, it is very, very cold with temperatures resting about 30 degrees below seasonal average, 37 on the thermometer. But your body's going to say it's 28 when it factors in that north wind at 15. Now, the good news is that it's a dry cold. It would feel worse if this dew point was any higher and the humidity was any higher. But man, it is tough. I mean, we feel like 28. It feels like 19 right now in Kerrville, 16 at Fredericksburg, 22 at New Braunfels, feels like 20 outside in Seguin. So please remember the 4 Ps. People, pets, plants, and pipes. Make sure people you know have a way to stay warm tonight. Check on elderly neighbors, making sure that the pets and the plants are inside. And yeah, cover and wrap the pipes for tonight. We're going down to 24. We recover on Thursday with sunshine to 43, but then it's back down to a light freeze on Friday morning, 32. And Friday we stay in the 30s. And then we bring in some moisture. That's going to be the next topic as we get down to a light freeze again on Saturday. Extreme cold warning for everyone. And remember that with the winds continuing to howl out of the north, we're going to continue to see brutal wind chills. In fact, tomorrow morning's wind chills will go single digit in the city. We've got 8 waiting for us tomorrow morning, 6 at New Braunfels, 3 San Marcos. How about 0 in Fredericksburg? It's going to feel like 0. That could actually go below 0. We've got 2 in Kerrville, 1 in Rock Springs. And then it gets a little bit better. But I'll tell you, tomorrow morning is going to be brutal. Let's talk about the moisture. So there's an upper level disturbance that's going to be in the Gulf of Mexico, throwing in some moisture our way Friday night into Saturday morning. So the timing looks like this. Once we get to about midnight Saturday, we should start seeing a little bit of freezing drizzle develop. And the model is pretty generous on just how much is out there. Now, if the moisture increases at the surface, remember that dew point I showed you at 20? We've got to get that dew point up if this is going to reach the surface. If it does, we could see some accumulation. The accumulation forecast, these models are calling for some of it to stick on bridges and overpasses mainly. And of course, you can see up 281 out I-10 towards Kerrville. And this is going to be Saturday morning. So again, overnight Friday into Saturday morning is going to be the best chance of that. All right, time for the 14-day forecast, and the next 3 are still going to be weather impact alerts. We've got sunny skies on Thursday up to 43 after that morning. The brutal 23 that'll feel like single digits. Then on Friday, staying in the 30s with good, strong north wind in place. And then on Saturday, this is when we could see the freezing drizzle early and then maybe light rain throughout the day, 47. So most of what falls should be liquid. There could be early Saturday in the overnight hours, a little bit of freezing drizzle. Look at the payoff on Sunday. The final Sunday of February is beautiful, near 70 and sunny, mid to upper 70s into midweek of February 26th. Bringing back a slight chance of rain with a front on Friday the 28th, heading into the final weekend, the first weekend of March, and it does look pretty good. Could KFC be flying the coop? Next.